Hello, everyone. This is the Case Breakers. Tonight, we're coming at you with a free box break. This is of 2013 Prizm football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize it 6 times. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. You're welcome. Very cute daughter, David. Very nice. Just waiting for it to print. Let's go. There we go. All right, let's see who we all have. Chris with the Cardinals. David with the Falcons. Scott with the Ravens. Josh with the Bills. Chris M with the Panthers. Bob D with the Bears. Ron with the Bengals. Nick S with the Browns. Josh C with the Cowboys. Scott L with the Broncos. Tim P with the Lions. Richard H with the Packers. Ron P with the Texans. Nick S with the Colts. Ryan B with the Jaguars. Chris R with the Chiefs. Joel R with the Dolphins. David P with the Vikings. Brandon S with the Patriots. Bob D with the Saints. Chris R with the Giants. Tim P with the Jets. Ryan B with the Raiders. Tucker V with the Eagles. Brandon S with the Steelers. Chris C with the Chargers. Brandon S with the Niners. Tucker V with the Seahawks. Joel with the Rams. Brandon with the Bucks. Chris M with the Titans. And Richard H with the Redskins. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check me out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!